he can extend the life of the presidency, na president mwenyewe amekaa hapo na hayasema chochote, you need to know there is something more than is catching the eye. Lakini Kenyans have resolved, you are not going to intimidate any of us, any of the Kenyans, that enough is enough. Na wakati wa kwenda ni sasa, na kama sio sasa ni sasa hivi. Asante sana.
Well done. Any questions? Yes, sir. You introduce yourself, and then we take it up. Yes, sir. Yes.
The first question is that when Wiper Martin called for the appearance of the High Committee for Parliament, talk about some of the abduction cases that have been off, given that there is a special session tomorrow. Secondly, orders that were given to the members of Parliament, there are some MPs who are threatening to impeach the public. We have witnessed what some of nominated members of Parliament, even sitting members of Parliament, where they were even expelled from the House, but yet till today they are still there. So how different will it be for Farah Maalim?
Okay. First of all, on Farah, he himself knows in his own mind, and it's for me a matter of grave, is very heavy on my heart, because I've known Mheshimiwa Farah. He used to be a reformist, campaigned for him seriously in Dadaab, against that time an ODM candidate, and we won for Wiper. Therefore, it doesn't give me any pleasure. Even if, because there's that thing they always follow in the Constitution, unless somebody resigns in writing to Mr. Speaker, right? He will still sit there, like those renegade Jubilee MPs who are expelled. We know this. But beyond that, if you talk about the 13th Parliament, I repeat my earlier comments, that Parliament was impeached by the people of Kenya, led by the Gen Zs, on the 25th of June last year. So they lack moral authority to do anything. If the Wiper MPs were not in the majority, but a very strong, solid team, we even stood against impeachment, because they said, they had what Kenyans were said, kufa driver, kufa makanga. Even if they bring that motion to oppose impeachment, but have we not heard Mr. Muturi tell them, bring it on, impeach him. But before you impeach him, please note you have been impeached by the people. That is the situation as it is. It's only that you cannot get arrest all of them like the Koreans did. And please, the reason the President of South Korea was arrested in State House was because he acted in contravention of the Constitution by declaring illegally martial law in South Sudan, in South Korea. That's why he eventually was arrested. We are talking about Mr. William Ruto, who has acted in contravention of the Constitution he swore to protect. The next round of demonstrations will go to arrest him. So, well, that's why my brother here is asking you, either pre or before or whatever, what the judge said. Let him first appear in court. It's a waste of time to call him to a compromise thing. Kumbuka, state capture of parliament. State capture of the economy by Andani. And we led by the front, we led that from the front. We went to court, and William Ruto was forced to cancel those Adani deals, but there are some still standing. Like the health sector is still state captured by Andani. We know these things. So there's a lot of work to be done. Yes, sir. Oh, another Kimani